Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create trending snowfall effect for your status using CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my CapCut application and I'm going to create new project, and then you need to prepare a photo or a video as the background of your status, and I'm just going to use this photo and I'm going to click on add. Okay, and then we're going to add snow effect to this video, so we can go to the effects menu, select video effect, and then you're going to select you're going to search for snow effect, snowfall effect, like this. And there will be some effects that you can use for your video, and I'm just going to choose the free one. Wait, let me choose guys. I'm going to select this one. Okay, and let's try this one as well, and let's see which is better. I'm gonna go with this one. Okay, and then you can adjust the effect, you can adjust the speed and also the atmosphere, and I'm just going to leave it like that and click on the check mark. Okay, and then I'm going to make it align with my photo, and then I'm going to add quotes to this photo. We can add text, and then you can choose aesthetic font. For the font, I'm going to choose the free font, but the aesthetic one. I'm going to try this font, brush. We need to download the font before we use it. Alright, and then I'm going to add my text here, and then we can adjust it. Okay guys, and I end up changing the font because this font looks more suitable for my editing, and I'm using this font. Wait, this one, Larkin. Okay, and then I'm going to make it align with my video, and then to make it more captivating, we're going to add music. We can add audio, and then we can go to the sound, and I'm going to use sound from CapCut. I'm going to choose for example this one, self-reflection. Okay, and then this is the result. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.